haven't done anything really rotten in a long time. Not since yesterday. There must be some truly, totally depraved, evil, insidious scheme I can use to take advantage of those stupid Koopa football players. Let me think. I remember now. Television! But there's no TV here in the Stone Age. It hasn't been invented yet. Or has it?
No.
Looky-loo! 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 Come see!
Do my eyes deceive me, or is that the biggest set I ever saw in my life?
But there's nothing on!
Well, maybe they forgot to plug it in.
Hurry it up there. I gotta die. Hi, everybody.
Chairwood.
And I'm here today to tell you about television, TV.
Chairwood.
Hey, man, what that?
You say, what that?
No.
I'm glad you asked. On Friends, you can watch all kinds of wonderful shows. Great shows like football. Get out of here.
If you need instructions on how to get through the hotels, check out the instructions on how to get through the enclosed instruction book. Check out the enclosed instruction.
I wanna take you to a gay bar. I wanna take you to a gay bar. I wanna take you to a gay bar, gay bar, gay bar.
Enough.
But I don't dance. Get it out of the park. Come on. I don't dance. I know you can. Not a chance. No. If I can do this, well, you can do that. But I don't dance. Get it out of the park.
Shit. Shit.
God damn it!
Shit.
Damn it!
Oh, shit.
Shit.
Damn it!
Hey, Mario! Look what I made!
Hey, man, what that?
It's a football! I chiseled it!
Well, what are you waiting for?
What that? Hey, man, what that?
It's a stone, Luigi. You didn't make it.
It's a football!
I'm a-comin', Luigi.
Hey, man, what that?
My new little buddy, Yoshi!
Hey, man, what that?
Luigi got changed into an egg.
Hey, man, what that?
Disco Palace.
Dinner.
Hey, man, what that? Hey, man, what that? Hey, man, what that? Hey, man, what that? Hey, man, what that?
Or is it the bagel?
Hey, man, what that? 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 Hey, man, what that?
It's Bowser!